Grab some fishing gear. Have you guys ever thought about getting some alternative ways to catch fish? You know, casting this big rod and reel all the time, trying to snag fish, it just gets boring, okay? I used to do it back in the day when I was a kid, but I quickly grew out of it. Now we're seriously upgrading in our process. We're gonna go straight to helicopter fishing. This is gonna be extremely fun and kind of dangerous actually, because there's some huge catfish in this pond. If I get a big catfish on this line, my helicopter is going down. This is our now new standard fishing gear. This is how I control my rod. And here's my tackle box.
Where would I be rod?
There's, yeah, you take the machine out. Here's a string. It doesn't really reel up the best. You just got to hang on to it like that. See, our new rod is actually next generation because it's battery powered.
Right, give me a video of the catfish.
Oh boy, look at the ripples. Dude, sketchy. There is some serious catfish in there. Okay, let's just get this thing rigged up and ready to roll. I got about 3 minutes left on my battery.
You want to go back to the dock, right?
No, we're gonna do it right here.
Oh, brother.
Okay, what do we use for bait?
Use a green worm.
Good small hook.
I would get you a fish worm. That'll work the best.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, you
Okay.
got a hook?
I don't have a hook.
Bro.
I'm thinking there might be some down here, maybe. I'm just gonna use this. Tear the hair off.
That'll work. Just
That way we got a small hook so we don't catch the big boys. Hopefully not.
Fresh out of the flower bed.
Nice. Okay, here, real quick, here's my game plan. This is actually where typically Matt feeds the fish every evening, so they think they're gonna get food tonight.
Well,
But
they
the
are.
big fish, you can see there's big catfish like right at the edge. So I'm gonna have my bait like right on the edge here to just get small fish, hopefully. I think we're ready. Helicopter's hooked up, I'm connected. We got a live worm one there. Let's send it. There goes nothing.
Is he gonna hit us?
There we go, boys!
I'll get it off the hook, Kelly. No way!
We got a fish!
I got a fish! Are you kidding me?
Gnarly!
What is it?
Dude, check it out!
Dude,
That's a
literally-
bluegill.
That quick, I got a fish with my helicopter. Now it's starting to rain. Look at that. Is that one big enough to eat? Hardly?
No.
That is hilarious. What a rush.
Okay, he's not hurt. I can throw him back in.
Okay, toss him back in.
Bye-bye, fishy. Thank you for letting us catch you. It's raining.
That was fun. I have to do it again.
Could you get better control of the thing with?
Yeah, so it's really touchy. And if I could put some expo in and hopefully get some more control over my Stinking little helicopter.
Well, it'd be
I think.
real hilarious if you get a big catfish on there.
I know, that would be
That
bad.
would be-
But Joey, you couldn't even tell that you had one, could you?
So,
Well, I saw a splash in the water, and like, oh, I might have one, so I shot up, and sure enough, there's a little fish flopping on the end. You know. Anyway, to be continued, because I'm coming back here some other time and do this again. This is way funner than casting a string out with a hickory stick. So, catch you guys later.